how are you? Welcome back to my channel again. Today, we will learn how to make and create animations for our presentation, and we're going to use our textbook, page 28, to learn that. First of all, use blank presentation. As always, we're trying to use basics. Do not use templates, please. Thank you. Once you click on blank presentation, you will get a blank one. And I have made my presentation ready for you guys so we can start our lesson right away. All right, I've copied this page from page 28 in your textbook. So this slide is ready to be used, and we are going to make some animation, and we're going to call it a quiz. All right. This is a little bit fun. You're going to enjoy it. So let's start. I have typed all the information in the page. The answers, highlight the answers and change it into red color. So I will click and drag to highlight the answer and change it into red color. As you can see, after I change it into red color, I will highlight each answer and then go to the animation pane here. So this is the ribbon. I will select one type of animation from the ones here. I will put fly in. Okay. Highlight the second answer, fly in. Highlight the third answer and put fly in. Look at here in your slide, you will see numbers 1, 2, 3. This means that this is the first animation will show up in the page. This is the second animation, and this is the third. If I start backwards, then the answers will fly in from backwards. How do we see this? All right, how do we see this as animated? We have to click on the presentation button to show it as a presentation here. So this is the slideshow presentation button. Click on it. Look, as you can see, you cannot see the answers. So it shows as if it's a quiz. All right, guys, let's play it together. Okay, year 3, how many legs does my robot have? Any answer? Click on the mouse, one click. Pop, there comes the answer. Let's check the other one. Why does he have a big head? Anyone wants to answer? All right, let's do it. Click and the answer will pop right away. What about the last question? How does he help me after school? Let's click. He does my homework. Oh my God, I wish we all have robots at home, don't you? Okay, I would like to thank you guys. I hope this is helpful. So let's do it in class, and I wish you also practice this at home. And that's it. Bye-bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to Computer Ideas for Kids.